So, Welcome to this problem solving sections. Today we'll solve some problem based on photoelectric effect. So in this, let us see these questions. A work function of sodium is 2.5 electron volt and predict whether the wavelength that is 6500 angstrom is suitable for the photoelectrons ejection or not. So we have to first find this what is the uh, uh, value of this one energy in terms of electron volt. Then we have to compare with the work function. If it is greater than or less than this one, then we can only predict. So our formula is energy is equal to hc upon lambda. So here put this value for Planck constant, that is 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 into speed of the light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second and divided by this is the wavelength. So wavelength is 6500 into 10 6500 multiplied by 10 to the power 10. So here you will get answer. So this will be 3.05, okay, and here multiply by 10 to the power minus 16 and here divide by 1 point, this is 3.08, okay. So here divide by 1.6 into 10 power 19, okay. So this will be your in terms of joule. So when you divide 1.6 by it becomes electron volt. The answer will be 1.9 electron volt. So we can compare here. So 1.9 electron volt is lesser than this one 2.5 electron volt. So that is what will happen. Since this is lower than 4.5 electron, it is not lower than, it is lower than 2.5 electron volt. So what will happen? No ejection of electrons take place. So this is our basically answer of these questions. The minimum energy required to overcome the attractive forces between the electron and the surface of silver metal is 7.52 into 10 power minus 19 joule. What will be the maximum kinetic energy of electrons ejected out from silver which is being exposed to ultraviolet light of wavelength 360 angstrom? So here we have to find out the minimum energy. So minimum energy they are asking. So here first to write the equations. Energy of the photon, that is incident on the metals, that is equal to work function plus kinetic energy. Okay, so again we can write here minimum energy required to overcome means we have to find the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to hc upon lambda minus so work function. So here work functions we can put this value. So on putting this will be your hc upon lambda and work function is 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 19. So here putting this value hc lambda 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8, and here lambda is given here 360 into 10 to the power minus 10 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, and minus this is given here 7.52 into 10 to the power minus 19. So on solving this we will get here 5.52 into 10 to the power minus 18 minus 7.52 into 10 to the power minus 19. So on solving we will get here 47.68 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So this is our answer. When light of 470 nanometer falls on the surface of potassium metal, electrons are emitted with a velocity of 6.4 into 10 power 4 meter per second. What is the minimum energy required to remove 1 mole electrons from the potassium metal? So again we can write here absorbed energy. So we have to remember the same formula. So if you revise all these questions you will understand. This is called the total energy. So not this is your threshold energy. So we are writing in the terms of TE, that is the threshold energy plus kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is half mv square. So we have to keep remember. So we have to find here what is the minimum energy. Minimum energy means they are asking here. So write this value. So here first they have given wavelength absorbed energy is this much. So this is nothing but the SC upon lambda. So I put the value of SC 6.626 6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8. And again lambda is given here 470 into 10 to the power 9. So this is the lambda is given here. Nanometer is given. So minus, this is your minus 9 lambda is given here. So again here velocity is also given here to write here work function. So work function will be, this is the work function or threshold energy, and half mv square is how much? So right here half multiplied by this is 1 mole of electron, so 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. Okay, and velocity is 6.4 into 10 power 4 whole square. So here we will get the energy. So in terms of work function, it will be your 421.07 into 10 to the power minus 21 joule. Okay, now to eject 1 mole of electron, so energy required, you can write it, is required to eject 1 mole electron. This is for 1 electron, this is for per electron we require this energy. So for 1 mole of electron we require, so 421.07 into 10 power minus 21 multiplied by Avogadro number. So Avogadro number, you know, that is the 10 power 23. So on solving you will get here 252.6 into 10 to the power 3 joule per mole, or we can write here 252.6 kilojoule per mole. So this is our basically answer. So when a certain metal was irradiated with a light of frequency that is 3.2 into 10 power 3 into 10 power 16, this is 3.2, okay, in 10 power 16 hertz. The photoelectrons emitted had twice the kinetic energy as did photoelectrons emitted when the same metal was irradiated with light of frequency 2 into 10 power 16 hertz. So calculate the threshold frequency of the metal. So again we use this formula. Kinetic energy is equal to h nu into h nu naught. So this is the formula. Okay, so again we can use the kinetic energy two types. What is that? As per given question, kinetic energy, second kinetic energy, this is the second kinetic energy, this is the first kinetic energy. Second kinetic energy is equal to 2 into first kinetic energy. Okay, then we can use these two equations. So from here we can write here, so this is your, suppose this frequency is V0, so V0 minus V1 minus V0 is equal to kinetic energy by H1. So this is the first kinetic energy. And for second we can write this equation number second. So second will be your frequency naught into threshold frequency divided by kinetic energy, second constant divided by the h. This is second equation. So if you divide it, so on dividing what, this is 2 by 1. So on divide 2 by 1 we will get here frequency 2 by frequency naught equal to frequency 1 by frequency naught. Okay, and this will be your Ke 2 by Ke 1. So we can solve here. K2 Ke1 given here, so we can write here V2 minus frequency 2 minus frequency naught, frequency 1 minus frequency naught, and K2 by K1 is equal to, it is equal to 2. So again we can solve here. Frequency 2 is equal to 2 into frequency 1 into frequency naught, or frequency naught is equal to 2 into frequency 1 by frequency 2, and this is given here 2 into, this is a 2 into 10 power 16, this is given here 2 into 10 power 16, this is not bracket, 2 into frequency naught by V0. So on will be, you write properly, 2 into frequency 1 into frequency 2, this is frequency 1, and minus 3.2 into 10 to the power 16. So this is a 2 into 2 4. So we have to, so 4 minus 3.2. So on solving, this is equal to 4 into 10 power 16, and this is the 3 minus 3.2 into 10 to the power 16. So you will get here 8 into 10 power 15 Hz. So this is our answer. If the photon of wavelength 150 picometer strikes on an atom and one of its inner bond electrons is ejected out with a velocity of 1.5 into 7 meter per second of its inner bond electrons, calculate the energy with which it is bound to the nucleus. So this is our equations. Incident your energy is 150 picometer, so we can find out. So again here we have given here kinetic energy also given here. We have to find the threshold energy. So we can use equation, that is energy total is given on the metal is equal to threshold energy plus half mv square. So here threshold energy is nothing but the Sc upon lambda. We can use this one. So this is equal to, this implies that 6.625 into 10 power minus 34, and C is 3 into 10 power 8. And again we divide it. Here we have given wavelength picometer. So right here 1 into 10 power minus 12 picometer. So this is total energy, and here we have threshold energy plus half. This is the energy of the again mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and velocity again 1.5. So 1.5 into 10 power 7 whole square. So threshold energy is equal to 1.025 into 10 to the power minus 16 joule, and this you will get here 13.25 into 10 to the power minus 16. So threshold energy will be equal to 13.25 into 10 to the power minus 16, and this will be your minus 1.025 into 10 to the power 16. So total will be 12.22 into 10 to the power minus 16 joule. So this is basically our answer of this question. Threshold wavelength of the metal is 230 nanometer. What will be the kinetic energy of the photoelectrons ejected when metal is irradiated with wavelength 180 nanometer? So again we can use this value, that is Hc upon lambda is equal to Hc upon, that is lambda naught plus kinetic energy. Same thing we have converted into energy form. So here we can write here. So this is your kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to, we can write Hc into 1 by lambda mass 1 by lambda mass. So this is our threshold value. So we can directly substitute this value, 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34, and here 3 into 10 to the power 8, and again lambda is given here, that is 180 into 10 to the power nanometer is given. So right here minus 9, and again divided by 1 by 230 into 10 to the power nanometer, that is 10 power minus 9. So here on solving you will get here, so this is your 1.9878 into 10 to the power minus 16. So this is your not minus 16, this will be 34 is there now, so it will be your 26. It will be your 26, and again if you divide it also by minus 9 also, that it will come. So if you take here 26 and divide by 9, so it will be your, if you divide by not next, if you solve, if you take 9 also outside, it will become this one. So better you write this one as a 1.9878 into 10 to the power minus 16, and this will be your 5.55 into 10 to the power minus 3, and this will be 4.34 into 10 to the power minus 3. So here you will solve it, you will get here 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So this is our answer, that is called kinetic energy of the photoelectron which is ejected from the metal. The energy required to remove an electron from the surface of the sodium metal is 2.3 electron volt. What is the longest wavelength of radiation with which it can show photoelectric effect? So again 7 number questions. So you write here E naught equal to Hc upon lambda naught. We have to find the frequency. So lambda naught is equal to Hc by here your threshold energy. So we can write 6.26 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8 and divide by here 2.3 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 9, so to convert it to electron volt. So this will be your, because this is in electron volts, we convert it to energy, so this will become 5.39 into 10 power minus 7, or we can say 5.4 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. So this is the basically energy. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electron ejected when a yellow light of frequency 5.2 into 10 power 14 per second falls on the surface of potassium metal. The threshold frequency of the potassium is 5 into 10 power 14 per second. So again you can use this concept, absorbed, that is energy. So absorbed energy by the metal is equal to threshold energy, that is called threshold energy of the metal plus kinetic energy of the photoelectrons. We can, this is the formula of each case, so it won't be difficult to remember till now. You can easily learn this one, and this you can write here half, or you can write kinetic energy again, write kinetic energy. So again kinetic energy is equal to H into that is the frequency of that incident radiation, that frequency naught. So we can put this value 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34, and this frequency is given here. So they have given frequency, you write frequency every places. 5.2 into 10 power 14 minus 5 is 10 to power 14. So you will get answers 1.325 into 10 to the power minus 20 joules. So this is our answer.